Hey, what is up everyone? This is Kiran here. Welcome back again to TechCaran YouTube channel. I'm gonna share with you a very useful thing here. If you use Xiaomi device, if you want to install the system apps, you want to update the system apps, you will get some errors. But I can install these things from default package installer. Don't need to install Google package installer or anything. You can see we have the option to install this thing. It has all the features which you want: security check, recommendation, recommend secure versions if you want those, but I don't use these features. The major thing is how to install system apps without having any issues from the default package installer. Of course, it is the default package installer, but we need to replace it from system. How to do that? First of all, this is the error which you get if you install any kind of system app like security or permission manager, whatever you install on your device. You will see the can't install system applications from unofficial channels, and this is a very simple journal error which almost every user gets on their devices, on their Xiaomi devices. For this, to fix this thing, make sure you have Magisk installed, because this is a Magisk module. We're gonna replace the default package installer with the modded one. So make sure your device is rooted with Magisk. If you have installed Magisk, you're good to go, and I'll recommend you to use the latest Magisk version as always. Right now, while making this video, Magisk version 23 is the latest one, so yes, make sure to install this thing. And here, move on here, click on install from storage. This is a third-party model which I will put the link in the description for this modded package installer, which might be around 2.5 MB, so it shouldn't take much time. As you can see, it's done. As always, all credits goes to their developers. You can see replace target system private MIUI package installer. It will just replace the file. You can do this manually also if you have knowledge, but yes, the Magisk module is a very simple yet powerful choice for you. So make sure to try this. I've already installed this module right now, so if you don't know, you need to install the module and then you need to reboot your device, because if you don't reboot, things might not work for you. Let me just reboot my device once, and you can see I've rebooted my device. Let me show you by going into Magisk here. This is what we are having. The text is in something different language, which is of no use. By the way, we don't need to find out what is written there because we've installed the Magisk file. Now let me show you by installing any file from here. For example, I have downloaded from the Via browser, and this is the file which I tried to install security. You can see now we don't have the error called can't install system applications, etc. But one thing, keep in mind, it will not downgrade the version. For example, I'm using the 5.6.9 version. If I try to install 5.6.6, it will show the can't downgrade apps. This will not work for you. So yes, if you want to downgrade the apps, it will not work for you. For that, you need to use another Magisk module. But yes, if you want to install some system applications, if you want to update the system applications, then this package installer is a very good choice for you. This is all from today's short and simple video. If you want to install this, link is in the description. Goodbye, I'll see you in the next video.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.